What's up to my statement fans, my YouTuber fans, or my Burst fans? It's your boy Brit VR, and I've been doing this little experiment. I'm on CryptoTrader.org, and I've been using this bot to do my trades while I'm asleep. And I got this the PLB Ultimate All Pair. So I've been trading on Poloniex, and it has pretty good ratings on it. Read about it for a little bit. It's like 0.72 per month. It's like $60, something like that. I might be wrong. Let me check on that real quick. Price do change. Yeah, $55 right now. So let's go back. So let's go to the bot real quick. So we're doing pretty well. I've been trading this bot for about 2 weeks. I just set it up to trade on Ethereum and Bitcoin. So let's go into it. Alright. So these are the parameters. Minimum spread, I put it at 1, maximum 8, exposure 100%. So I put in like $90, and the order time. So after 6 minutes, it'll make another order, and this is the period where it calculates the algorithm of the high and lows, so it can put in an order and maximum currency. So I'm waiting to put a grand in here. Just testing it out. I had restarted it, but it was on 3 wins in a row. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. It was on 3 wins in a row. So it started off, it was worth this much right here. Bitcoin, now it was worth this. So I gained 0.48. Overall, past 2 weeks, I probably gained about $15-20. So it's pretty good, and I've been testing it out, especially these parameters. With this bot also, you have to make sure whatever you're on is increasing, because when it starts to decrease, this bot only trade from high to low. So it buys low, trade high. So they do have marginal bots on here. If you guys check it out, let me see. Also, guys, check this out. This is my affiliate. I'll put it at the bottom. If you guys get on, for me showing you this, it tell you I make a 10% commission, blah, 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 blah. And also, when you get on here, you have to pay for the server of this, because the bot runs on this server. So I got the one for, it's like $10 a month. It's pretty cheap. And this is what you get. Also, there are free bots on here. So, what's a free? These are the free bots out here. So you can just get the plan for here and do the free bots. And yeah, make sure I started around this time, letting the trade, and gotta make sure the trend is going up, because it make you money. If it's going down like really hard from here to here, you might have problems. But it's pretty accurate. Let me show you. It just put in this trade right here. So these are trades that I just traded this one right here, but let me see. This is a trade they made right here. Pretty good trade. This is another. Yeah, this I don't. Is that a trade? Let's see where we are. Actually, it made this trade right here. It made this trade. And it made this trade from here to here. So about here. So here. So sometimes it does lose. Actually, that might be wrong. because it says 3 wins in a row. So trade it from here to here, and trade it from, well, sorry, but I know I made 3 trades in one. So also, let's go back here to the live trade, and it tells you read out the strategies that it has. So the starting price, the current price, starting worth, the current worth. That's in sorry, for Polo. This is how much the share price is, and this is how much you got in Bitcoin and stuff. This is how much it'll be holding after you made this transaction. This is how much I was holding. And it tells you how many orders in, your wins, and your losses. So it's pretty good. I've been testing it out. I'm going to put some big money in it soon and let it trade 24 hours. But you have to watch the bot and change the parameters. For example, if this gets like real crazy going up and down, you're going to have to make these a little bigger. If it gets a little tighter right here, you make these a little smaller. And if it gets a little tighter, I'll make the time a little bigger so I can catch as high as I can. If it gets real long like that, real big, I like to make these smaller so I can count them out individually, see what's really going on. So that's it for my little video. Make sure you upvote me on Steemit because it's going up on Steemit. Your Burst fans, make sure you guys support Burst. Burst is one of the greatest coins ever. And my YouTuber fans, thanks for watching. Shout out.